How to remove Snapchat filters from a photo. What is up guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily remove any Snapchat filters from your saved photos. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon as well. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Snapchat. And once your Snapchat is open, just head over to the picture that you want to remove the filter from. So as you can see, here is a Saturday filter on this photo. All you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will have an option to edit snap. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom you will see this slider kind of thing where you have an option to change your filters. So just swipe ahead where you see there is no filter. So this is the default photo right here, which has no filter. So the Saturday filter is now gone. Now you just have to tap on export, and from here you can download the picture easily. So that is all for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys next time.